This arrow is 12.1. I already made it. You can check out in my channel, and here there is advanced restart button also. I am using that in order to boot into recovery. If you don't have that, you can use the traditional method of pressing the volume up button and power button simultaneously until it boots into recovery. And regarding the links for everything in the YouTube community section in my channel itself, there is a community separate tab is available. You can check out there. I will be posting some of the questions also. You can answer them. There are plenty of options also for particular question. You can check out the community section, and coming to wipe section and select here advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. Go to home section and select install and select wherever you downloaded the ROM zip files. Go to first firmware and select here 12.5.5.0 Surya Global. You can use in global also. There is a problem I noticed whenever I apply in global, there will be a little bit internet connection issues. So flash the global firmware itself, and coming to home again go to ROM zip files and select here Xtended X tribute to this one. This is the latest available build. It's an unofficial build. You can see here 2022-25 with still February security patch and Android version 12 and March 7th latest build available for Poco X3. You can see here it takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. The ROM zip file has successfully flashed. You can go to again home section here and select wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Done. Again go to home section here and select reboot and select the system. This is a very simple flashing method. For any particular ROM I have made plenty of videos on in my channel. You can check out. There is a separate playlist for Poco X3. You can watch all the videos, and many people watching my videos but not subscribing to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You will be getting similar kind of content and many other tech related videos too. And this is how the MSM Xtended boot logo. Let's begin this video, and what all the features, benchmark results, BGMA gameplay, everything will be explained in this video in detail. Stay tuned till the end of the video, and let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SAMPATH Poco X3 custom ROM reviews, and this is the extended ROM Android version 12 and extended version. You can see here it's an unofficial build. 5th February 2022 is the security patch, not the latest but still March 7th and March 7th build date. And kernel used here is, you can see here 4.14.267 Arrow GECB CA86 ECB7 kernel has been used. It's also March 7th build, and I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes. You can see here the maximum is 164, average is 150, and minimum is 133, and CPU is throttled to 95% of its maximum performance. Very good. Let's see also the benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results here. You will get 3 lakhs like that, not 3 lakhs 60 or 50,000. And let's see the battery temperature rise. Just 0.8 degrees Celsius and 2% battery drop has been noticed during this testing. It's fine, not a problem. And coming to Geekbench scores, it's very less. I don't know what happened to Geekbench scores in particular custom ROMs. It's getting very less, and I has already shown you the kernel what has been used in this ROM. And coming to dialer here, let me turn the volume. You will get a direct video call feature. As you can see, I am using Jio SIM here, and there is a call recording feature also in this one. Pretty good, and that doesn't notice the other person that you are recording the call. That's how it is. And this is all the app drawer. And let's see the Android 12 home settings. You get these kind of settings here. You can see here. Let me go back and select again widgets into that clock and select one among this. This still present, you can use them, and some of the widgets are included. You can use them using that. And coming to into the wallpapers and style section, you get plenty of wallpapers. No, unfortunately there are no pre-installed wallpapers. If you want, you can use any third-party applications to use the wallpapers, or you can download manually also. And coming to apps, some of the apps are pre-installed here, like Google Go Camera, and there is also a camera application installed, but let's see. This will be not usable. Just skip this camera and use this Google Go Camera. If you want, you can use any other Gcam ports. I have Arnova build Gcam that can be working fine in this ROM, no problem regarding that also. And let's see the apps like Auto Music is pre-installed, and Via browser is pre-installed. Metro music player or like that, some of the apps are pre-installed, and instead of Google Photos you get Google Go Gallery. It means that Google Photos unlimited storage is not available in this ROM, that you need to keep in mind. Coming to DRM info, here you will get level 1 certification, no need to worry regarding OTT application watching in HD resolution. Coming to safety net status, here also it should get passed. Yeah, it's get passed. You can use all the payment applications like Google Pay, like WhatsApp, everything going to be working fine. You can use any other payment applications. I'm just telling the example here. And into the quick settings panel, it looks like this. If you want, you can arrange them as in the Android 12 style. And coming to screen record, you get plenty of options here. You can record device audio and microphone simultaneously. Those options are present in this ROM. Let's say into the settings, what are the settings we get. Before that, into the quick settings, there are options you can edit here. As you can see, you can adjust the refresh rate also. I just seen it. As you can see, 60/90 auto, 60/90 auto. You can keep from here itself. And mic access and camera access and dark theme implementation. It's pitch black, but little bit gray type is available. Into the hood, let's see whether it's changeable, I mean customizable or not. Let's see into the setting. Into the extensions, you get plenty of options. Extras, you get gaming mode, enable that, and use game driver performance tuning. You can adjust the level. Disable notification alert, show menu overlay, no ringing, answering calls automatically. You can enable that. No ringing, disable gestures. You can add the applications. For example, I added BGMI. Okay, like that you need to add. And toast app, I can use framework values, and status bar, left padding and right padding adjustments are given into extra settings. Into the status bar, you get system icons. You can enable or disable from here. And clock and style, you get plenty of options here. As you can see, date style, you can change, plenty are given in this ROM. Into status bar logo, there is adjustment to keep it in left or right. I kept for left. If you want, you can change them, and even you can customize further also. As you can see, custom status bar logo, you can keep your picture, or even the custom logo styles are also. Plenty of presets are already available in this ROM. That depends upon you, and even you can select the color also. Traffic indicators given, status battery indicator, you can adjust the style, and even the battery text you can arrange left or right based upon your liking. You can adjust them. There are plenty of adjustments and customizations are available, like battery settings and Wi-Fi override. You can see here plenty are given. Even VoLTE I can show 4G instead of LTE, old mobile type, roaming indicator, plenty are given into the status bar settings. Coming to quick settings, you get again show brightness slider on bottom, slider in QS panel, and adaptive brightness button, and columns in portrait and landscape you can adjust from here, and vibrate on the QS pull down, smart pull down, footer alerts, user account icon, and edit text icon, power menu shortcut. Just read it out. There are plenty are given. Even artwork media background also you can enable or disable, even adjust the blur and transparency level. Those are given in the quick settings panel. Coming to power menu, you get there also adjustments are given. I mean, you can increase or decrease the power button, opacity, and even the you can dim the background. And coming to power, advanced restart button is available. Screenshot settings you can add in the power button. Those are the power menu customization. Into notifications, here also you get plenty. Notification light, you can check battery charging light, breathing SMS, missed call voicemail, you can enable or disable from here. Coming to navigation settings, you get system navigation. Go to gesture navigation. Into settings, there is a dead zone. you can enable or you can adjust them, and full screen gesture is given, and gesture bar length you can increase. You can increase the gesture bar length, but there is no option to increase the gesture bar radius, the width. And haptic feedback you can enable or disable from here. Advanced gesture options, you get plenty of actions here: swipe action, L swipe, and vertical and longs. Those things are given in this ROM. If you want, you can keep to 3-button navigation. This is the navigation customization. And coming to lock screen, here also plenty are given. Shortcuts, media, art, blur level, force small check, hide status bar, lock screen, charging information, ripple effect, and hide bottom shortcuts. Those are included. And into the gesture, here also you get plenty of options here. Power button, ending call, one-handed mode, quickly open camera and prevent ringing, brightness control you can adjust from here. Lock screen status bar also you can enable or disable from here. Coming to buttons, reorient, music control, volume rocker rave, and volume dialogue timeout, and volume key cursor control you can adjust from here. Into the animations, you get CRT and scale type of animations, and power menu animation you can see here. Plenty are given. You can change according to your style, and animation style, animation duration, and titles animation interpolator is also set to linear. If you want, you can change them. Coming to theme room, you get use custom color. You can choose the custom color. If you want, you can disable it out, and even chroma factor and white luminance you can adjust it. You can increase or decrease them. And dark theme, there is dark theme, but yeah, there is a theme here into the dark theme that I really like it. Pitch black system, if you keep it, it will become completely dark. As you can see, even in the settings panel also it's look completely dark. That's I really like it. In any Android 12 ROMs, custom ROMs, if they add this, then it will be better in my opinion. Do comment down in the comment section below regarding dark mode in your custom ROM. Font style, you get plenty here. As you can see, you can adjust the icon shapes also from here. These are the customization available in this ROM. Let's see individual settings what we will get. In the location you get it's working fine. Little bit new animation here and there has been added into display. You get lock screen timeout. Let me keep it to 1 minute. You can adjust based upon your liking. And font size, display size, smallest width, bold text, night light, intensity you can reduce or increase that. And colors, it's by default kept to adapt to your nature. It's not that great. Keep it to boosted, and even you can adjust the RGB strength also, and minimum refresh rate and maximum refresh rate also you can adjust from here. Prevent accidental wake up, you can turn it on. Screensaver is given. Tap to wake is also available. If you want, you can disable that. Into apps, you get basic things like this. As you can see, little bit new animation has been added here. Default apps you can choose from here. If you want to change the launcher, you can change from here and keep it as a default launcher. And phone app also, if you want to keep it as a true color, then you can do. For example, let's see browser, I made Chrome as a default browser. Like that you can choose from here. Those things are present here. And some of the apps like special app access here, full screen apps also you can check out here. There will be option to that also. Based upon your app, sometimes it won't open in full screen, then you can change from here. Into accessibility, you get vibration and haptic feedback. You can enable or disable, and audio adjustment notification is there, but accessibility menu is missing in this ROM. And battery life, what could I say? It hasn't recorded, but it's fine. Definitely you can try it out as a daily driver. I will show the BGMI gameplay also, and battery life is also very good in this ROM. Use pixel, it's stopped. Let's see, there is an option like that. It's getting turned off, I don't know. Okay, let's go into settings and into the battery again. As you can see, use pixel battery status provider. If you enable that, you will notice this kind of problem. This is a bug I noticed. That's how it is. And that's all guys. Privacy settings, security settings, you just get a fingerprint unlock, no face unlock, and it's not encrypted, it's decrypted actually this ROM. And into system, there are some of the options here. That's all. This is the ROM performance, and everything will be explained. I hope I have explained everything, and we'll be seeing the BGMI gameplay and what are the graphics settings we get and how it handles the game. Here we go guys. Many people requesting this from long time. Finally it made easy now. Finally I am making that boot camp. Let's see how it handles. And volume settings you get like this. I kept to maximum. It's not loudest as we see in MIUI Mint. That's the benchmark for loudspeakers for Poco X3. And let's see, and if there is a game mode, okay, mode is turned on. How to enable FPS, I don't know. Let's see how it handle in bootcamp, whether it's get laggy or playable or not. I mean, not that big level, that also you should keep in mind. Whether if you feel video is interesting, hit that like button, and also if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button also. See guys, so many people are coming around here. Most of them are bots, I guess. Oh no, that shotgun. Let me reduce the volume, it's too much. Someone is behind me. I got killed. This is the performance. It's not laggy that much. It depends upon your level also guys. Let me come out. That's how the BGMI gameplay. And do comment down below. I want to show you like this gameplay or the TDM is enough. That you need to decide. And let me show you the fingerprint unlock. As you can see, it's quick enough. As you can see, there is no face unlock or even app unlock in this ROM. It's working. Find the fingerprint unlock, and let me show you the charging animation in this ROM. As you can see, you get that wobbling effect and that tall style, and here you get the details of charging. That's all guys in this video. I hope you like the video, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and also follow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. Let's see it's booted out of the memory. It's obvious. Some of the ROMs may be kept in memory. That's how it is, and the battery life you can see here. It's fine. This could be a very good ROM if official build comes with very good scores and a little bit improvement here and there. Then this could be very good ROM. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.